haven't been able to get my nails done. So this is perfect because today we're gonna cook meatloaf and my hands is gonna be all into the meatloaf to mold, and we don't need no nails distracting me from that, do we? Okay, so the ingredients for this meatloaf is, of course, you need about a pound of ground beef, or you could possibly have more than that depending on what you want. You might want a big meatloaf or a small meatloaf, it's up to you. Along with that ground beef, it's good to get some mild sausage, or you might want spicy sausage, but I use mild. I'm going to use 1 envelope of the Lipton Onion Soup mix, some A1 steak sauce, and some Worcestershire sauce. Now, I've been trying to decide which one do I want to use. Normally, the ingredients include saltine crackers, but one time I tried Townhouse Crackers and it gave it a different flavor, so I haven't quite decided which one I'm going to use. But you're gonna need an egg, and that's to hold the meatloaf together, and whatever type of tomato sauce you like. Again, I love Prego for everything, so I'm going to use this Prego with roasted garlic and herbs, which will give the meatloaf a different flavor. So I'm going to pre-prep everything and come back and we're going to put this thing together, all right? All right, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Okay, so in pre-prepping, I know sometimes people don't like to hear what you did, they like to see, but I am going to show you part of what I did. So with the crackers, I went with the Townhouse Crackers. I put them in a Ziploc bag. I use, usually the recipe calls for 10 to 12, but I went on ahead and I used 16. Now, when I put the crackers in, I take a can, but this time I used the actual tomato sauce and rolled it over the plastic until I got it where it's practically almost like dust. Because remember, the crackers is just the filler. I also use the same process on the envelope of the Lipton Onion Soup mix, just so it can be nice and fine. Okay, and I decided that this meatloaf might be a little bigger than I thought, and then plus the eggs were kind of small, so I decided to use 2. So I beat up 2 eggs. The other thing I realized is that I didn't have anything for the bottom of the pan, so I went ahead and I got some olive oil pan. Okay? So, matter of fact, I'm going to do that first. I'm going to spray my pan with the olive oil pan. And I'm going to add the ingredients. This is the Lipton Onion Soup mix. That's 1 envelope. You're going to use a teaspoon of A1 steak sauce. And a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. You're going to add your grounded up crackers. You're going to add some of your tomato sauce, just a little. And then, of course, last but not least, you're going to add your eggs. That's going to hold everything all together. Ow. Okay, so I'm going to run and wash my hands real quick. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Before I put my hands in the meatloaf. Okay guys, I just washed my hands. And just so you know, I forgot to add a little bit of pepper. So I added some pepper off camera. Alright, let's get to mushing and gushing. So, you use your hand to mix everything up together. Just so you know, some people would probably put onions or bell peppers in theirs. I don't like all of that. Start putting your loaf together right there in the bowl. Formation. So then you want to go over to your meatloaf pan. See if I can ease this out. Okay, so now shape your meatloaf. Make sure the sides are away from the pan and the top is nice and smooth. By the way, I already preheat the oven for 350. All right. So I got the loaf nice and shaped. Ooh. Nice and smooth. So, it's ready. We're gonna put this in the oven for 30 minutes. No, not 30 minutes. Wouldn't be done. We're gonna put this in the oven for an hour. And then we're gonna check back and see how good it looks, okay? All right. We'll be back in an hour. Okay guys, to cut down on time, I took the meatloaf out of the oven and I drained the excess grease off, okay? So now we're going to add the tomato sauce, shake it up. Now you want enough sauce to cover the meatloaf. You don't have to drench it, but you do want enough sauce to completely cover the meatloaf. So right now the meatloaf is pretty much almost done. So we're gonna put it back into the oven for about 20 more minutes. So we can allow for the sauce to cook into it. All right. Minutes and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So here you have it, the famous meatloaf. And just so you know, I went ahead and cooked the rolls, the corn, and I didn't feel like making mashed potatoes from scratch, so I did try. Tonight we're trying the Simply potatoes with sour cream and chives. They should taste good. I've had them before, but I don't know about my family. But anyway, also, I told you guys that usually I taste the food, but tonight I'm going to have my older son to taste the food. I am going to make him a plate real quick so he don't have to make it on camera. Bradley.
Thank you.
Mainly the meatloaf, because that's what the video is about.
It's delicious. It's delicious. Now I gotta mix it with the mashed potato.
Okay, you go on and eat your dinner. There you have it. Cooking with Dr. Phil. We made meatloaf tonight, and we're gonna go and eat our dinner. So remember what I say. If you don't have nothing nice to say, don't say nothing at all. Keep it cute and put it on mute. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. All right, guys, have a good one.